Welcome. If you're looking to enable sending stickers and GIFs in your Telegram group on PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Stickers and GIFs are a fun way to add personality to your chats, but sometimes group permissions can get in the way. Today, I'll guide you step by step, so your group members can start sharing their favorite stickers and GIFs right away. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, head to the chat list and open the group where you're an admin. You'll see the group's name at the top of the window. Now look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the group chat window. Click on them, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will open up the group's settings panel. Inside the settings, find and click on Permissions. This section controls what members can and can't do in your group. Scroll down until you see Send Media. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll find the option for Stickers and GIFs. If it's currently disabled, simply toggle it on. This allows all group members to send stickers and GIFs in the chat. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom to apply your changes. If your group members still can't send stickers or GIFs after enabling this setting, try turning the permission off and then back on again. Some users have found this refreshes the permissions and solves lingering issues, especially after recent updates. That's all it takes. Now your Telegram group is ready for a flood of fun stickers and animated GIFs. Remember, you can always return to these settings to adjust permissions as your group grows or your needs change. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, share it with other admins and keep your group chats lively and expressive.